Hey guys, it's Antonio here and welcome to the world of ergonomic Linux keyboard shortcuts. So as you know, Linux is often praised for the amount of customizability it offers straight out of the box. It's even more notorious with the KDE Plasma desktop featuring Kwin Window Manager. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the shortcuts I use, the standard ones and the custom ones I made myself. So let's get started. Standard shortcuts are usually enough to move around the system quite fast and effortless. It's all about Alt plus Tab when switching applications, or Alt plus 1, 2, 3 to check out specific browser tab, or even Alt plus 9 to get to the last one. Of course, Ctrl plus Tab and Ctrl Shift Tab are the must-haves, allowing for fast switching between consecutive tabs, as well as Ctrl plus T to open a new tab and Ctrl plus W to close the currently opened one. But these are the obvious ones which you definitely know already. I also love the Alt plus left arrow and Alt plus right arrow to go one page back and forth in the browser. This one also does work in the file managers like Dolphin, as you see. The real fun begins with the custom shortcuts. I use just about a few of these to move windows between desktops, maximize and minimize them, or to move between entire desktop rows. My keyboard philosophy consists of one rule: the less hand moves, the better. In KDE Plasma, shortcut settings can be found in System Settings and just about here, Kwin. Kwin manages the application windows, and this is where we'll start. K is the Vim ladder to go up a line. That's why it is rather natural to me to use it with maximize window command, super plus K. The same goes for J, which is go down a line in Vim language. I use it with minimize window command, super plus J. KDE allows one trick I could not find in GNOME, hide borders command. This one can be switched from the Kwin context menu, Alt plus F3, more actions and no border. And now this window says that I will not be able to enable the border again using the mouse, but the thing is that I don't need to because I have a command for that, and that is super H. Gotcha. The hide window border command simply makes things prettier. It hides borders, filling the screen only with the app itself. Sticking to Vim bindings J and K, I also use them to move between desktop rows with switch one desktop down or up command, associated with Ctrl super plus J to go one desktop down and Ctrl super plus K to move up one desktop. Let's see how this works with an example. So here I have a setup of two desktops with two screens per each, and I can easily switch between them with Ctrl Super J to go down and Ctrl Super K to go back up. Another helpful command is moving one desktop down and up. This one works just fine with Ctrl Super Alt plus J and Ctrl Super Alt plus K. So now the system settings window is on the upper desktop, and now I'm moving it to the lower one. And the last one is perhaps my favorite: move window to the next or previous screen, in my case Super Shift plus H or L. The last set of commands is completely custom. To set up a custom command, go to Custom Shortcuts, Edit, and create a new group. Mine is already called Power Shortcuts because these are related to power management. So now go to Edit, New, Global Shortcut, and Command/URL. I'll call mine Shortcut Power Off. Then in Action, enter the command, and in Trigger, a combination of keys that will trigger this command. In my case, it's Ctrl Alt P. reassign. And now remember to apply the changes you made. Now it's done. And now when I hit Ctrl plus Alt plus P, oh, okay, so it actually did turn off. Thank you guys for checking out my content. Subscribe if you loved it, and let me know in the comments or with thumbs up if you liked it. See you guys in the next one. Shema.